On tonight's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Kia K4 if you locked your keys inside. Alright, so we got a customer that locked the keys in the car. Car was running. It timed out and shut off, but the keys are still inside. I use Access Tools Super Air Jack. This is an airbag bladder. You can get this in the link down in the description, or you can go to Home Depot and get one out of the door and window aisle, or you can also use a wood or plastic wedge if you don't have an airbag. Just let the air out of it and put it into your door jamb right here. Alright, so you kind of have to put one corner in and kind of work it up and down with both hands, kind of sawing it in there. So I can't video that at the same time, unfortunately, but just work it all the way in there until it's into the door jamb. Right? And so then when you got it into the door, like so, turn the little valve right here and pump it up. And when you do that, it will pry the door outward. And like I said, if you had a wood wedge or a plastic wedge, you could do that as well if you're trying to do this at home. And just get it like a 1/2 inch open. And then we're going to take Access Tools green reach tool. This is also in the link down in the description, or you can make one out of a metal rod at Home Depot. Just make sure you tape up the end of it or put a rubber tip on it like so. You can take like 5 or 6 coat hangers and tape them together too if you got some metal ones. Slide it through the door frame and get it inside. And then we'll come over here, the door handle, and kind of hook it with the rod and pull it. And then it unlocks the car and you're in there. Pretty simple and easy. It doesn't bend the door or nothing. And you can see it doesn't damage it. The door is not bent or bowed or anything, so you won't get any air or water in there. And it doesn't mess up the weather stripping or scratch the paint or anything. So, like go, that's how to unlock your Kia K4 if you lock your keys inside. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Drop me a comment down below, and you'll see me on the next one. Bye.